Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Freelancer account, find projects, and bid step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Type Freelancer, come into the address bar, and press enter. Wait for the Freelancer homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner and click the login button. Choose whether you want to log in with email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you use email, click the email option and enter your email address. Type your password carefully and double-check for mistakes. Click the login button to access your account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. If you see a security check, complete the CAPTCHA to continue. After logging in, confirm you are on the dashboard or home screen. Click Browse in the main menu to start searching for work. Select projects to view available freelance jobs. Use the search bar to type a skill keyword like logo design, writing, or data entry. Apply filters such as budget, fixed price or hourly, and project length. Choose the right category and subcategory to narrow the results. Click a project title to open the full project details page. Read the description slowly and note all requirements and deadlines. Check the client's rating, payment verification, and project history. Scroll to see how many freelancers have already bid on the project. If the project fits you, click Bid on this project. Enter your bid amount based on the scope and your experience level. Set the delivery time or weekly hours depending on the project type. Write a short, clear proposal explaining how you will complete the task. Attach relevant files or portfolio samples if the client requests them. Review your bid details to make sure everything is correct. Click Place Bid to submit your proposal to the client. Go to My Projects or Bids to track your active bids and messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.